Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest on Robinhood. So in order to invest in Robinhood app, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So investing in Robinhood involves the following steps. So you have to install the application and then create an account. So once you're done creating your account, after that you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, it's going to ask you to set a passcode as well to verify your account. Once you're logged in, this is how it's gonna look like. Here you can just go ahead and fund your account. So in order to fund your account, you'll have to link your bank account to Robinhood. After that, you'll have to deposit the money into your Robinhood account to start investing. So without linking a bank account or without having certain funds, you won't be able to invest. After that, you need to understand the investment option, which means you have to explore different investment options available on Robinhood, such as stocks, EFTs, options, cryptocurrencies, and fractional shares and all sort of things. So here, as you can see, there are different options available. You can also use the search bar feature located right on top. So you can just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to invest on. You can research the companies or asset you're interested in using the Robinhood's tool to analyze stock performances as well. After that, you can start search for the asset you want to invest in. Click the asset to see the details. As you can see, here's the detail. Just tap the trade button located right at the bottom. As already mentioned, you'll have to have certain amount of funds. Only then you can trade or you can invest on Robinhood. In my case, I don't happen to have any funds, so I'm unable to press the trade button located right at the bottom. So after that, you can just tap the trade button and then you can choose the order type, that is market, limit, stop, etc., and enter the quantity as well. After that, you can consider diversifying your investment to manage risk, spread your money across different asset types or industries as well. You can also keep the track of your portfolio performances. You can review and adjust your investment as needed based on the market conditions on your investing goals. And apart from it, you can also take advantage of Robinhood's feature, that is exploring additional features like deviant reinvestment, Robinhood Gold, for advanced features and margin trading, all sort of. So these were some of the ways to invest on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.